Record high 1,128 new COVID cases in Jamaica.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
For the first time, Jamaica's daily coronavirus infection have crossed the 1,000 mark. As on Wednesday, January 5, 1,128 new cases were recorded, pushing the tally to 98,194. Of the new infections, 645 are women and 476 are men, with ages ranging from 2 months to 96 years. 7 of the new cases are under investigation. A total of 2,709 tests were conducted. The country's positivity rate now stands at 46.8%. Meanwhile, 3 more deaths were recorded, increasing the total to 2,486. The deceased are a 46-year-old man from St. Catherine, a 83-year-old woman from Clarendon, and another 83-year-old female from St. Catherine. 1 more fatality is under investigation, moving that figure to 355. In the meantime, there was 89 more recoveries, increasing the total to 66,236. Some 204 people are in hospital, with 35 being moderately ill, 23 severely ill, and 3 critically ill. 5 people are in government quarantine, while 23,431 are at home.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!